In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip text in Google Slides, focusing on both rotating and mirroring text to enhance your presentations. Let's dive into the process to make your slides more visually interesting and varied. First, you need to head over to Google Slides, which is accessible through your web browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. This step is essential as it allows you to access your projects and save your work seamlessly. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. From here you have a couple of options. You can either create a new presentation by clicking on the blank presentation option, or choose an existing template that suits your needs. Both options will open up a new slide deck for you to start working on. Now that you're inside your presentation, it's time to delve into the text flipping process. Begin by selecting the text you want to flip. Clicking on it will activate the text box in which it's contained, allowing you to perform various manipulations. With the text highlighted, head to the top menu and click on Arrange. This is where Google Slides houses all its alignment and rotation tools. Within the Arrange menu, look for the Rotate option. Clicking on this will open up a sub-menu with a variety of rotation choices. For simply flipping the text around its axis, you'll want to select either flip horizontally or flip vertically, depending on your desired outcome. These options will mirror the text, creating an interesting and captivating effect that's sure to catch your audience's attention. These simple steps, selecting your text, accessing the Arrange menu, and utilizing the Rotate options, enable you to efficiently flip text in your presentation. It's a handy skill that can be used to add flair to titles, create reflections, or achieve any artistic presentation style you're aiming for. A couple of additional tips will help you get the most out of this feature. Remember to consider the context in which you use flipped text. Ensure it enhances readability rather than detracting from it by testing the readability on different devices if you're going to present it in various formats. Also, think about the overall design and maintain consistency across your slides for a professional look. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, not only have you learned how to flip text, but you've also unlocked creative potential for your Google Slides presentations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to take your presentations to the next level. Don't forget to practice and experiment with these techniques to find the best style that suits your presentation needs.